Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2014 Pete factory built 389 glider kit, built with a 12.7 free emission Detroit, 13 speed. It's got 427,000 original miles on it, about 100,000 miles on overhaul. I've gotten it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, blow by, finish up on the inside, oil pressure, interior, show you everything that you want to see. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow by is fantastic. Engine's clean. Grill surround, the front end looks really nice. Only one little spot on the backside of the fender there. All your body and paint looks really good. Tanks are in good shape. Basically new generals on the back. Air side fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels. Excellent brakes as well. Platinum interior, matching leather seats, extra gauges. Total miles, oil pressure is fantastic, super smooth. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any more questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526, or you can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.